Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Cloudflare DNS to secure VPS web access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the DNS section for your domain. Add a new DNS record by clicking on the Add Record button. Select the record type as a foreign IP address. In the name field, enter a subdomain or for the root domain. In the IPv4 address field, input the IP address of your VPS. Ensure the cloud icon is orange to enable Cloudflare proxying. Set the TTL to auto for automatic updates. Save the record by clicking Save. Next, log into your VPS server using SSH. Install the necessary software packages for DNS management. For Ubuntu, you can use the apt-get command to install required packages. Configure your firewall to allow traffic on ports 80 and 443. Modify your web server configuration to use the correct DNS settings. Test the DNS resolution using the nslookup command. Check if your site is accessible via the newly configured subdomain. Monitor the Cloudflare dashboard for any traffic or security settings. Adjust the SSL/TLS settings in Cloudflare to secure your connection. Enable Always Use HTTPS in the SSL/TLS app on Cloudflare. Set up page rules in Cloudflare to customize user experience. Regularly review your DNS settings and access logs. This will help ensure that your VPS remains secure and optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.